Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to clear your terminal on Linux. So in order to clear your terminal, of course we need to go into terminal, and I will show you two ways how to do it. The first one will be probably this common way that everyone knows, so I will start with it. So for example, I will write some comments like this, nothing complicated. And how to clear it? Basically we have to type in clear and press enter, and as you can see that works. So everyone probably knows that way, but I will show you one more, probably more interesting, because there is a way to add a shortcut to clear your terminal. How do we do it? We can press on these three lines right here, and now choose preferences. And right there we have a global section, and we have to press on shortcuts. And right here we need to find a terminal, so right there, and choose recent and clear. Right here we need to press left button on mouse on it 2 times, so I will press it, and now we can choose a shortcut. We need to remember that it can be used for example above right here or below. It has to be not used shortcut, so for example for me it will be Ctrl+H, and I will leave it like that. We can close that, and as you can see, if I will write for example again some comments like this, and now I will press Ctrl+H, and as you can see my terminal is cleared. Because we chose a reset and clear, now we need to press enter, because we are doing also a reset every time we press Ctrl+H, and it works. As you can see, again I can press Ctrl+H and it works. Even if I will right now close that terminal and open it again and write some comments, again ls, maybe I can make some mistake, even comment not found. As you can see, I will press Ctrl+H and it still works. So as you can see, its shortcut will work forever, even if I will close that terminal. And that will be all in this video. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next one.